Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX, and this is our weekly outlook on the currency pairs, metas, and the rest of them. So stay tuned while we continue. Okay, this is disclaimer. Channel is for educational purposes only, and all videos and presentations and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as an investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. So, guys, it is very, very good that you learn before you trade. You learn before you trade. Of course, I'm having a series of videos that will be coming up very soon. A video is going to be coming up very soon on this channel. A video concerning market structures, entry model, Elliott wave analysis, even ITC entry model. So it'll be coming up this channel coming this year. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. So let's start with DSY. Of course, last week I talked about DSY that we are looking for it to come up a little bit, to come up more before a correction, and you can see that DSY is already up. DSY is up, and we are looking forward to see it reverse by next week. We're looking forward to see the VSY reverse from here down next week. So we are not going to trade DSY, we're going to be watching because this place is our supply zone. So we're not looking anywhere to buy it. We're looking for a sell setup. That is all for DSY. Euro US dollar. When you look at Euro US dollar, you can see it's sitting on our demand zone, 61.80 Fenerbahce ratio. And according to Elliott wave, this is wave C. And this wave is supposed to come to an end here. But we may likely see a correction, a drop, a correction, a drop before reversal comes. Or we will likely see reversal from here, break this structure, correct, and then continue. So we are waiting. We are not in a rush. We are waiting to get it done. So that is all you use the Okay, this Great Britain, Great Britain US dollar. As I said earlier, you're going to see it come to this box, and that is where it's coming to. It's going to come to this box, either reverse from here or it come to this box. So it did well by dropping below, and it's not yet over because I see it coming up again to this fair value gap, drop again, it's here coming up again, drop again, coming up before a correction comes. So we may see it coming inside like this, or even touch here before correction, but touching of here may not be possible. I suspected it to end the end the bearish in this very line. This starts 80%. That's why I expect it to end bearish. You may see it come up to this fair value gap, drop again, come up again, drop again. This may take about 2 weeks or so. So that is all for Great Britain, US dollar. Okay, Australian, Australian US dollar. So I told you earlier last week I was going to correct up here. This is an expanded flat. You can look at it A, B, C, and it's coming down. This is its destination. This is where it is coming. So, but it will not going to fall that place. It will do some correction, come up to other block, and then drop this very place. So we may see a correction next week and then a drop. So here is my final say no to selling. From that to reach there, I'm still bearish. So this is This is the same thing goes here in expanded flat ABC, and it touched the fair value gap and is dropping. So this is the end of this guy. I told you to end this very place. Especially to end this line. But looking at the way it is moving, it may break the line before a reversal. So you may see it break this line before reversing. So that is all for New Zealand US dollar. US dollar shift as expected. This green line is the final target. Once it get there, then I'll stop thinking of buying and start looking for a sell setups. Until then, US dollar shift, US dollar shift is coming up to 92,226. That is where I started to drop. That is all for this analysis. So you likely join our Telegram channel so that you will find out what is going on in the market. Okay, this is US dollar Japanese yen. I expect it to drop to this box to close this fair value gap before coming up. But looking at it, the pair has refused to drop. And looking at it, you can see this is an ending diagonal. Look at it. This is the first one. This is second one. This is the third one, fourth one. So the fifth one is coming. When the fifth one will come, it may reach to this point before drop. So it's a sign of ending diagonal. It's a sign of weak buyers. The buyers are become weak. The buyers are not interested to buying it again. They are tired of buying. They are scared of buying because it's too expensive. That is all for you, Japanese yen. Okay, this is Canada yuan. Canada yuan. I saw the Canada yuan to come up to this very point. By looking at his movement, it will be difficult to him to come up. So I decided to close this fair value gap and go to this other block. This is what I expected. I have to close this fair value gap and come to the other block. See the fair value gap here. I expected to close it and come to this other block. This is other block. The other block there. Expected to close the fair value gap and come to the other block because before any buy. When we look at it, there's still an up move on it. I wanted it to come there, then come up again, break the up or anything. But meanwhile, market have the final say. Hero, hero. The same thing goes with hero, yen. So that is a drop to this place. We to liquidate this very level. There's a liquidity upon this place. Liquidity here. We need to break below that liquidity, take the liquidity, come to the other block, and then come up to this very box. That's what I expected in Hero Japanese yen. Because looking at it, you can see that this is 5 wave structure. Uh, this is A, and this is going to be B. We're going to see C. That's what I see. That's how I see it. And that's how I see it. You got it A, B, and C. He came to this place, touched the other block, moved to this other block, and dropped down. I wanted to liquidate this place, go to the other block, then come up again. That is what I expected in Hero Japanese yen. Okay, AUD. Sorry, not AUD. Australian Japanese yen. The same goes here. But this one looking more of break. So that block that says liquidity here, I wanted to take away. And I expected to come to this other block also before any further move. Looking at the structure, it may break below. We continue to sell. That is all for this guy. Great Britain yuan. Great Britain yuan is coming down, and I expected it to come to this very point. This very point. This very There's another block there that's expected to catch up with. This is A, B, and C. Expected to catch the other block there before bullish movement will continue. That is all for this. Okay, this is Dex. Is it? Yes, it's Dex. Dex. Expected Dex. Dex is A. This is A, B. Expected a C. So what I expected the Dex, expected Dex to drop from here to here before if further corrections, before another drop. That's what I expected in Dex. Okay, what do they call Nasdaq? No, the Jones. Jones just ran average in this. That's US 30 in this. So what am I expecting? I expected it to come up to this box, but it did the own thing. It did not come up to this box. It came to here, closed the fair value gap, touch the other block here, drop, come up again, drop below. So what are we expecting? Expecting it to come up a little bit, a do correction to this place, and then eh, drop below here. But I expected it to come to this value points. It will come to this value because it come to this two. What I expected it to come to that place. That is all for US 30. Okay, this is a very good trade, and I enjoy the trade. This is A, this is B, and C is already coming. So let C to end in this very place, this very four. That's why I expected EC to end. And when you look at it, I take some partial profits there. So that is where this place was marked and it's coming down to this very place. So I expected it to do some correction towards that fair value gap, tiny fair value gap that is there, close it, and then drop. That's what I expected next week. This Friday, the last day. Wait, next week. Okay, this is Canada. Great Britain, Canada. Wow. Great Britain, Canada is on a very big step. Ready to stop for this belly box. But they bounce off on the boss and come break the boss and come below. So this pair, I'm not trading this pair. I'm just watching it to see whether I can see opportunity to trade it. Right now, what am I expecting? I'm expecting to do some correction and take away this low before I will start thinking of buying it. I have to do correction, take away this low because this low will be liquidated before I can believe whatever this pair is doing. This is all for Great Britain. Okay, this is Great Britain Hero Great Britain. So I thought it's the same thing. It came here, come up, and then drop again. But I expected it to come to this fair value gap, close it before drop, but it did not touch it. It came and drop again. So there's a possibility of this pair coming by Monday or by next week to this place, close it, touch the other block, then drop. So don't be surprised if you see something like that. It's there in the chart. Okay, gold. My lovely gold. Gold is a very lovely pair. Everybody love gold. Gold print money like water. And gold is very good pair. So looking at gold, it's very good to reverse from this block, but it has break through the block. Looking at it also, you can see that there is a clean line. As expected good, weak, good bullish move momentum to be coming down now. Look at that trend line, and you can see what is happening in that trend line. Come to that place and get a rejection. You can see that. So there are two possible things I'm expecting a good. Either if I see a sell breaking below this block, engulfing this daily block by Monday, then I'll look for a sell down. But if I didn't see a sell that engulf that place, it means that gold has a possibility of good to have the possibility of coming to this place, break it, or even break it and come up to this very point. So once good break this very point, liquidate this place, then forget about selling. I'll not sell again. I'll always say when they come here, I'll start buying it to that point. That is all for good. Talk about gold. Silver. Silver is a king of inducement. Silver, king of inducement. But I love the pair. The pair is very good. It's a sweet pair. If you understand it, it's a king of inducement. You have induced me so much this very week, this very place. I was trying to sell it down, but this guy refused to sell. Keep inducing me. But thank God I'm out. I leave it. So what am I expecting in silver? When you look at it, see that it's coming to this trend line. So I'm expecting it to come up to that trend line, touch it before a sell. For it to come up to this trend line, touch it before selling. Before selling down to 27,100 or even 26 something. So silver is a great sell, but that may be the ending of the month. We'll sell start selling next week. Okay. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand pairs is a practical sales pair, but they have been this pair. I tried to enter aggressively here. I was induced. I become an inducement because I thought this touch has completed. I made a mistake and I pay for it. So right now I have entered into the other block and it rejected down. So right now by Monday I will be looking for entry again to sell it from that second one here, third one here. So what I will do is to find my entry on Monday morning. Find my entry on Monday. That is all for Edo, New Zealand. The same goes here. I've already entered this one. I put my sell limit here and it triggered. I put another sell limit here, it triggered. So I'm waiting for it to drop to my first take profit, which is 63 1.6357. Then it goes all the way down to here. But this is my first take profit, which I will focus on. That is all for EA, Euro, Australian dollar. Cryptocurrency, let's start with Ripple. Oh, we'll see a triangle in Ripple and a triangle collection. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. So E has not come fully to where I expected it to come, but due to the influence of Bitcoin, you may not see it come D again. It may keep on flying. People may keep on flying to this very point and break the up because by Wednesday, Trump is one in and the hype is going to keep Ripple up. So, but I expected it to drop to this box. That is where I put my buy limit waiting for it. But I think I may miss out. That is all for Ripple. Solana. Solana has been falling so helplessly. And looking at it, it looks like it's still going to fall again to this very point. I expect it to come close this other block, close this fair value gap, drop again. So you may see it come up here and then drop again to this very point to 162. So if you are buying it here, it's good. Once it's 210, find your way out because it may still go in a drop. BTC has not completed the wave 4 correction and it's taking so much time to complete this correction. It's ready to come up to this very point, and then drop to my market area before I consider buying BTC. That is our BTC. So what's this again here? We have VITs, Vision, Vision. So it's ready to go up here, but if we go back to our stop loss. So, but what I was expecting that still down move. We expected it to come up close here and then drop to here before buying. But that's where it can still move from here due to the what is coming up. Crypto are normally moved by hyping, and there is a hyping that is on the way, which is Trump swallowing in on Wednesday next week. It may trigger some big move in cryptocurrency. So I expect this one to come up also to this very point, close this gap, and then drop before buy. This is an ARB, ARB network. Polygon. Polygon, I love Polygon so much, but they are disappointing me so much. Their movement is having sluggishly. So I expected them to drop. This is last week analysis, and they expected to happen again. I expected them to correct towards here, drop below again before buy. This okay, this is Ethereum. Ethereum came to my max box, move up and drop again. What am I expecting? You can see that I touched a 5 value gap here and drop. So I'm expecting a movement to this place before another drop will come. Another drop will come here before I buy. So you may see it coming up to this place to 3,800 before a mega drop. Su has been the best performing currency this bull run. It's the best performing currency this bull run. I wanted to come to this other block and come, go up again, come to this other block and go up again. So Su is best performing cryptocurrency in this bull run. And I see Su coming to $9 or more. So next is for Su is to break off structure, is to break this structure up. Once Su break here up and then give us a correction towards here, continues going. This is how Su have been trading. The fundamentals love it. So many investors love Su, and Su has been their best currency and they have performed so much this valuable run. So and it moves so fast, moves so swift. And I think the total number of Su is about 10 billion, but what is circulation now is about 2 billion. The other 8 billion will still be releasing periodically, which is going to release first one on May. Okay, that is all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumb like, comment on our video, ask questions if you have any, ask for any analysis, anything you don't understand, ask me and I'll use video to analyze them and teach you. Thank you all for watching. Stay blessed.